In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly synchronize Notion with Google Calendar using automation tools. We're looking at a process that combines creativity and technology, ultimately making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. Once you've got Chrome up and running, log into your Notion account. It's always comforting to have all your notes and tasks organized and ready to go. Likewise, open up Google Calendar in another tab. Now you have all the digital spaces you need right at your fingertips. Next, it's time to set up the connection between Notion and Google Calendar. You'll want to create a Notion integration via an API key. This key is essentially the bridge that connects your Notion workspace with external tools, like Google Calendar, so they can communicate with each other. In your Notion settings, go to the integration section and generate a new API key. Keep this key handy, as we'll need it shortly. With your API key in hand, the next step involves using an automation platform like Zapier or Make.com. These platforms are like the common grounds for different apps to meet and exchange data automatically. Depending on your preference, sign up with either Zapier or Make.com and navigate to their dashboard for the next steps. Within your chosen platform, you'll need to set up specific triggers for both event creation and updates in both Notion and Google Calendar. This might sound a bit techy, but it's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. A trigger is essentially an event that prompts an action. So when you create or update an event in Google Calendar, it'll automatically reflect in Notion and vice versa. Follow the prompts to select Google Calendar as the first app, choosing triggers such as new event created or event updated. Link these triggers to corresponding actions in Notion and then mirror the process for Notion to Google Calendar syncing as well. To enhance this setup, you want to enable two-way sync. This critical feature ensures that any change made in either app is updated in the other. It prevents discrepancies and keeps all your information current no matter where you update it. Finally, it's crucial to test your setup to confirm synchronization is working both ways. Create a test event in Google Calendar to see if it appears in Notion, and then try updating that event to ensure changes are also reflected. Do the same test in reverse from Notion to Google Calendar to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've automated the syncing of Notion with Google Calendar, allowing these essential tools to work in harmony. With just a little setup, you've saved yourself a lot of time and maintained consistency across your planning platforms. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.